What's up, guys? We got a new addition to the fleet. Axial SCX30. Beautiful little rig here. I've been away at work in Vancouver, so we just picked it up at Magic Box Hobbies. I put these decals on there. Beautiful little truck, guys. Comes with a battery, comes with a remote. Look at this servo, pretty quick, eh? And I don't know if you guys can see here, but you have different shock mounting locations right from factory. Look at that. Pretty cool, eh? So I won't do crazy video. Obviously it comes with the remote. This is the box it comes in. Very nice. A little display it's on. Here's a sticker sheet. Really love this body. They're coming out with a truck next week, but my first crawler was the SCX24 Julia, sorry. So here's a battery here, guys. Small little battery, very small, as you can see. We have a 2-in-1 ESC receiver here. Your lights plug in, servo and battery. Little tires are soft, they're nice. 88 turn brushed motor. Now saying the servo here is plenty strong. So you also get, we're gonna charge this battery here. You also get a, well, this is how you put the body on. You have the tab there in the back. Slides in this little hole. And away you go. Boom, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Little tiny 160 milliamp hour battery, 30C. Also comes with a charger, but I have my own charger back home. So yeah, guys, I need your advice. Should I delete all the accessories on here? Spare tire, delete all these. If you do, they actually give you parts here. So you can do the spare tire delete, and I'm guessing cover up the little holes that would be left. So you also get a little tool, a tire tool here, and I think this is a 0.5 ml nut driver, but unfortunately most of the hardware on here is Phillips screws, which I don't know why they would do that. Only other little problem I could see is the on and off switch here, right on the sliders. So you might get into some issues with rocks hitting the button, but who knows. Beautiful little truck, guys. The attention to detail on this is beautiful. And this is not a sticker. Gorgeous. So I did move the shock location all the way it to the inside. Seems to give me a little bit more flex like that. So yeah, I'm sure we'll be doing some modifications to this guy. So stay tuned, guys. And we'll get you guys some running video. Peace.